Hi guys, I'm Chef Daz, and I'm excited to partner with the incredible egg. Today we're gonna make a curried eggs and spinach dish. This dish is fun, it's bold in flavors, and it's super easy to make. Let's get started. So our pan is nice and warm already. So the first thing we're gonna do is add our oil. We're gonna coat our entire pan with oil. We're just gonna add in some of these onions. I'm gonna let my onions just start sauteing a little bit. We're gonna cook these till they're nice and translucent. So while that's happening, I have a garlic clove, which is going to bring some good aromatics. So now I can just do a nice rough chop on it. So I'm gonna put my garlic in, stir it in really good. I wish you guys could smell this, it smells amazing. So my tomatoes, I'm just gonna take them. We're just gonna go right in half on these. I have a 3-year-old daughter who I encourage to be a chef when she grows up. This is one of the dishes that we actually make together. So now that my onions are nice and translucent, my garlic is cooking, I'm gonna just add my tomatoes in. Now what I want my tomatoes to do here is really start juicing, because that's actually the base of my dish. So we're just gonna do some quick tosses on this, get all of these ingredients nice and incorporated. So now I'm gonna take some spinach, and I'm just gonna fold that in. Now spinach, as you guys know, it wilts down, so it cooks down, so you wanna add a nice amount in there. So today's dish is an Indian dish. We're gonna use a curry paste. This is a nice mild red curry paste. You can find it in any supermarket, and it smells amazing. Stir that in really good. I'm going to add some water. Now, the beautiful thing about this, we're just gonna let this reduce and create a nice, beautiful sauce. And let me tell you about these eggs, right? This is a breakfast egg. This is a dinner egg. It's amazing. The beautiful thing about eggs, they're very versatile, and it's a great source of protein. So what we're doing here is I'm actually gonna crack these eggs into this pan. We're gonna make them nice and beautiful, so once they set, you see lots of color. My daughter and I, we cook all the time. My daughter actually loves the egg cracking part. It's her favorite thing to do, and I let her have a lot of fun with it. So now that we have all our eggs in this dish, we're going to actually put our lid on and just watch the egg whites set. So now this dish is almost done. We're going to chop up some of our garnishes, and we're gonna put them on. It's gonna be amazing. So we're gonna do some nice rough cuts on this, and then we're gonna take our lemon, and we're just gonna cut it on an angle. This dish looks amazing. I'm so excited to taste this dish, let me tell you. So I'm gonna take my lemon juice, I'm gonna squeeze that right on top of it. And what this does is add another layer of flavor. So I'm actually gonna sprinkle some cilantro, and I'm gonna add a little bit of salt. All right, guys, so this is my final product. This is my curried eggs and spinach dish. It's really easy to make with your family at home. You can eat it with some pita chips. It's fun for your family. It's an excellent choice when you want to do something quick and on the go. Dinner eggs save the day for this busy dad. I hope you guys try this at home. Thanks for watching.